We'll guide you through how to fix screen mirroring not working on your iPhone. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. The methods in this guide should fix if the device isn't even appearing here, or if it is appearing, you still can't go and connect to it, it just circles. So first things first, you need to make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network. That's super important, otherwise it won't be appearing. So go and open up your settings and make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network, because I know a lot of people have things like Wi-Fi boosters and things like that, so make sure you have connected to that same booster that your TV or whatever device you're using is connected to. Next, if that still isn't working and the device isn't connecting or isn't appearing, then what you want to do is go and try a force restart on your phone. To do that, you press the increase volume button, then the decrease, and you hold the power button. It does a full restart. So press increase, then decrease, and then you hold the power button. You're going to see this screen here. Just keep on holding that power button until your phone goes black, and you keep holding it until you go and see the Apple logo then appear. So keep waiting. The Apple logo has then appeared, so let go and your phone will now go and start again. After your phone has restarted, go and unlock it and then go and see if screen mirroring is going and working. If it still isn't working, then what we want to do is go and head onto the device which we're trying to connect to. So here's my TV, and just head to the AirPlay settings and make sure that it's switched on. Sometimes it may be switched off, so yeah, just ensure that it is switched on. And what's also worth doing is restarting the other device as well. So maybe unplug it at the wall, leave it for like 30 seconds and then turn it back on and make sure it connects to the internet again, and make sure you connect to the same one on your device, and then you can go and see if you can then go and connect to it in screen mirroring. And hopefully now you can go and connect to it. So let me open up the control center. I'll click on screen mirroring and I'll go and click on it. And I now need to enter the code which will appear on the TV. I've now entered the code and I'll click OK. And as you can see, we've got that tick there and we're now screen mirroring, as you can see in the top right there. And yeah, you can go and see that icon which shows it's working. If you guys found this useful, then please leave a like.